sponsor at Advantage Gold. I work with a lot of gold companies, and let me tell you, this is the best one. They're the gold and silver company I recommend to help Americans get prepared now for times just like this. I want to encourage you to call them. They're available right now, 800-900-8000. There's no risk, 800-900-8000. And get their free, I said free, 2024 gold and silver kit. Plus tell them I sent you, and they'll give you a special Mark Levin discount worth up to $1,300 if you qualify. No one can predict the future, but you need to be prepared for it, folks. That's the key to surviving these things. Call Advantage Gold right now. They don't have your number, but you can call them. 800-900-8000. 800-900-8000. Plus, see if you qualify to get your special discount worth up to $1,300 today. Performance may vary. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. You should always consult your financial and tax professional. So there I am, and actually right after the radio show, I think it was Wednesday night. And I'm doing research. Sometimes I just like to inform myself, and I come across a book from 12 years ago by a man who has since died, unfortunately. And it's entitled From Ambivalence to Betrayal. Listen to this. The left, the Jews and Israel. The left, the Jews and Israel. This is 600 pages long. It's an enormously scholarly book. The man apparently is quite well known. Stick with me. I want to tell you about this.
Bill and Kathleen from American Vision Windows have been revolutionizing the home improvement industry one customer at a time. And beautiful custom wood windows are no exception.
I am, once again now, 23 years later, very energized about what we sell.
Those installers that have 15 to 20 years of experience that come to your house, they want to delight the customer. It's a white glove treatment. Get new bespoke wood windows at unmatched quality, speed, and price. With thousands of 5-star reviews, our commitment to quality isn't just promised, it's proven. From vinyl to aluminum, we bring the same level of quality and experience to all of our window projects. And get no payments and no interest for 18 months. Let's elevate your home together. Your vision, our mission. Call 855-339-9956 or visit AmericanVisionWindows.com. That's 650-649-7944. 650-649-7944. Online at westcoastmenshealth.com.
Life Elder Care offers free, simple, and important services for older adults who prefer to remain living at home. Become a volunteer by visiting lifeeldercare.org.
Talk Radio 560, KSFO, San Francisco, KSAN, HD2, San Mateo, a Cumulus Media Station.
The Fixer on the stand. I'm Lisa Lacera, Fox News. At former President Trump's hush money trial, the prosecution's star witness and ex-lawyer, Michael Cohen, promised the truth.
Telling the jury former President Donald Trump participated in a scheme to pay off adult film actress Stormy Daniels. Cohen told the court Trump wanted the story taken care of to protect his image with women after the release of the Access Hollywood tape. Cohen testified Trump told him, quote, push it out as long as you can. Just get past the election. If I win, it has no relevance. And if I lose, I don't even care. Cohen eventually wired Daniels the money using a home equity line of credit to conceal the payment from his own wife. Cohen testified he told Trump first, saying, quote, everything required Mr. Trump's sign-off.
Fox's Nate Foley outside the courthouse in New York City, and Cohen told the court Trump promised opens a new front in its war against Ukraine.
Russia has continued to push the envelope in terms of just the brutality and intensity of its campaign. It has sought war targets across a wider range of Ukraine, most of them civilian.
National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan, who says Russia is trying to destroy electric grids across Ukraine with greater determination than last year. Jury selection began today in the second corruption trial of New Jersey Senator Bob Menendez.
Menendez is accused of writing ghost letters to help a New Jersey businessman curry favor with Qatar. Prosecutors say he also worked with another businessman to get the approval of Egypt to import halal meat for Muslims from his company.
Fox's Chad Ferber, Menendez's first trial in 2017 ended with a hung jury. Crews have begun the controlled demolition of the Francis Scott Key Bridge in Baltimore after its partial collapse when it was hit by a cargo ship in March. America is listening to Fox News.
Customize your coverage with Progressive's Roof Protection Plus and be prepared for the unexpected. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company affiliates. Roof Protection Plus available for RVs less than 6 years old. $250 deductible plus 20 claim.
Think identity theft won't happen to you? Think again. There's a new victim every 3 seconds in the U.S. Over 15 million this year alone, and many don't even know they're victims. LifeLock alerts you to identity theft. You monitor your credit if your identity is stolen. A dedicated U.S.-based restoration specialist will work to fix it. No one can prevent identity theft, but everyone can save up to 25% their first year with My Name Clay as the promo code at LifeLock.com.
KSFO traffic. Children Auto Body Desk.
We have a freight car wreck in San Jose, southbound 680 after King Road. Everyone's on the shoulder. And look out for a stall in Brisbane. It's on the Bayshore on-ramp to North 101 at the bottom of the ramp. A freight car crash in San Jose, south 101 at Bocop. Center median is where everybody ended up. And then South 280 in San Jose, stop and go from 880 to 10th Street.
This report is sponsored by Progressive Insurance. Progressive Commercial Insurance can protect your small business with over 30 coverage options, an easy-to-use mobile app, personalized discounts, and more. Get a quote in as little as 6 minutes at progressivecommercial.com. Discounts and coverage selections not available in all states or situations.
This is Chris Dolan.
And I'm Vanessa Deniston, senior attorney from the Dolan Law Firm. Chris, what's with all these out-of-town personal injury firms coming into the Bay Area with these catchy jingles and funny names?
Unlike the Dolan Law Firm, most of these firms are from out of state or in LA.
The Dolan Law Firm is headquartered right here in San Francisco, going on 30 years.
We live here, we work here, we win here. The Dolan Law Firm, we're the best lawyers we hope you'll never need. DolanLawFirm.com.
Here's an important opportunity for persons with type 2 diabetes, an elevated HbA1c above 7.0, and risk factors of either a history of previous cardiovascular disease or moderate kidney disease. You may qualify to participate in an important study with Dr. Linda Gaudiani at NorCal Medical Research in Green Bay, California. Eligible participants must be 18 years old or over and currently taking only oral medications for diabetes management. All patients will receive full laboratory testing, medical monitoring, and medication at no cost, and also a stipend for time and travel. Please call us at NorCal Medical Research at 415-461-1585 or visit NorCalMedicalResearch.com to find out more. Possibilities today, treatments tomorrow at NorCal. Join us. Again, that's 415-461-1585. Thank you.
We're with Bridget, whose husband won't be home for months, and whose daughter is due any day. We're with all service members and their families. Are you with them? Learn more at uso.org today.
My simple solution to the problem was remove people from the scene and help them feel safer.
In response to attacks against Asian Americans, Maddie Park raised over $250,000 to donate camp rides to the Asian community.
There is so much more work to be done. We really need to come together and tackle this issue as a community.
Support the Asian community. Learn how at lovehasnoway.org.
877-381-3811, 877-381-3811. Okay. They gave you a thumbnail sketch on Bernie Sanders to be elaborated on in the future, big time. He's a Marxist. He's always been a Marxist. And what kind of Marxist is he? He's a Stalinist. He's always been a Stalinist, always will be. He's visited, he's spoken for, he's been a special pleader for really every genocidal Marxist leader in his lifetime. And he walks it back and then he pretends he's just a democratic socialist. Because the Marxists know how to conceal their identity. But he gets the support of the media. And the Sunday shows. Kristen Welker. The other night, it was, I forget her name. What the hell's her name at CNN? That's right. No. It was CNN, Caitlin something. Whatever. Caitlin Collins. It was CNN. But ask yourself, why Bernie Sanders all the time? Why would you have somebody who is a Soviet Marxist, who's such a radical extremist, and who hates Israel? Listen to what he says. I've played some of this for you before because he's going on TV every night he can, every Sunday show he can, to spew the Hamas figures, which even now the United Nations is rejecting. Even the United Nations has cut the numbers in half. But Bernie Sanders keeps using them. Cut 7, go.
But the reality is I think any objective observer knows Israel has broken international law. It has broken American law. And in my view,
First of all, there's been no founding whatsoever of that in any objective observer. Gentlemen, sorry, you. Go ahead.
Another nickel in U.S. military aid. Look,
Let's be clear then, he would cut off every penny from Israel, which is in the middle of a war, which is surrounded. He doesn't mention that Hezbollah keeps shooting missiles into Israel. He has no problem with Iran being funded by Biden and Blinken. He has no problem with Hamas surviving. I thought everybody said Hamas and the Palestinians in Gaza were different. Didn't they, Mr. Producer? Well, if they're different, should we destroy Hamas so they can live in freedom and